What is Savasana? Savasana is meant to be a relaxation pose, a time of wakeful rest. But as a teacher, I observe sometimes that even in Savasana, students will keep tension in their body. So I want to show you something. What do you notice when you see me like this? And what do you notice when you see me like this? Notice this and notice this. Could you tell a difference? There is a difference between lying down on your back with everything in close and tight and lying on your back with the arms and legs open, completely relaxed. Savasana is about relaxing. Next time you try Savasana, I want you to widen the legs and widen the arms and give your shoulders and your hips and your joints and your muscles a chance to truly relax. You can see it in my body. What I want you to do on your mat is bring that body awareness so that you can feel the difference in your body. So when you come onto your mat for Savasana, when you lay on the floor at home or in bed, move the body a little bit, try some different positions until you really feel like you're relaxed. That's how you're going to get the most benefit of Savasana. If you stay tuned next week, I'm going to give you one more really helpful tip about being in Savasana. If you don't know me, I'm Krista Oakes, and I am a yoga and meditation instructor. Like or follow me for more important tips. Namaste.